All right, guys. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create organizational units, how to create groups, and how to add users to groups. Now, we need this because if you have employees in an organization that are in the same department, you will want to give them same permissions because they will be doing the same job. For example, the sales department will need permission to access, I don't know what document, maybe some sales document. The HR will want to have access to the patients, which sales department do not necessarily need. So you will want to deny the access and to the patients of employees to sales, but give the permissions to the HR. Okay. Now, how do we do that? We're going to create, remember we're working with Active Directory Domain Services. So we're going to click on Tools, Active Directory Users and Computers. Okay. And you will be on the screen. Now you can see under our Active Directory, which is task2.com, we have bulletin, we have computers there. There are no computers at the moment. We have not joined any computers. We have domain controllers. We have one domain controller, which is our server at the moment. And we have users. These are the users that are currently there. But what we need to do, we need to create organizational units. Now, how do we go about that? You will right click on your domain and new. And then what we want to do, we want to create a new organizational unit. And then you will want to give it a name. Say, we want to create an organizational unit for all staff. Okay. And then you click OK. Right. Now, this is for all staff. Now, we want to create sub-organizational units because under staff, we have sales department, we have marketing department, we have managers, and so forth. Now, you'll follow the same procedure. Right-click, new organizational unit, and we'll create a organizational unit, say marketing. Okay. Then you'll see it will be under staff. Right click on staff, new organizational unit. Say we want to create sales rep. Sales reps. Okay. Right click, let's add another one. New organizational unit. This one is for managers. Okay. Now let's add another one and say groups. Here. Groups. Okay. That is how we create the organizational units. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, in the organizational units, say you want to create users for sales rep. Okay. You click on sales rep and look up here. We have our icons there. Create a new user, create a new group. Now we want to create a user. Then we will go and create, say, a user. My name is Morena. Then let me use my first name, Morena. If you want to, you can add initials. That will be M. The last name will be okay. And then you will want to give this user the log on name. How are they going to log on to the domain? Let's use the initial and the surname. Right? So this is how they're going to log on. m2@task2.com. Next, and then they will need passwords. I'm going to give them same password. Now here, user must change password at the next login. You can set that. Can say no. I don't want them to change the password. User cannot change the password. Password never expires. Account is disabled. User cannot change the password. Next, and then you will have the user, the login name, and the user cannot change password, and then you go finish. But if you want the user to change password, then you'll select this one. Okay. Um, let's select. It's up to you what you want to do, but I don't want them to change this password. Finish. Then you'll see the user will be added there. Let's add another user. Say you want to add Sipo. That's S. The last name will be maybe Ngwenya. Ngwenya. Okay. So S Ngwenya will be there. Login details. Next. Password, to give them password. Now these passwords that you're giving them, it's for logging to the domain so that they can access the files that are saved on the domain and are shared on the domain. We'll have the summary there. Let's add the third one. Say the first name is Jessica. The last name is Ralipada. And the login name will be J Ralipada at task2.com. That's how we create users, guys. You will add and then give them password. You'll create password for them. They must not change it. Or you can choose, if you want them to change the password on the first login, then you can click on that and then you finish. Now we have 3 users under sales rep. If you add other users under marketing, under managers, and under groups. That's how we create users. Okay. Now, one other thing that you can create, let's create groups under groups. Okay. You can create groups and then you can give them the security level. One, we have, let's create groups. We'll click on this one now. Okay, this users, this one is groups. What is the group name? Group name will be group staff. Say we want them to be universal and we want the group type to be security. You can add another group, say it's marketing. Leave them as global. Say you want to make them global this side, therefore it won't be security, but it will be distribution. Let's add another one. Group sales rep. Global and distribution. Basically, that is how you will add groups on organizational units. Okay. That is how we create groups, we create users, and then we create organizational units. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Please remember to hit the like button if you like this video. I'll see you on the next video. That will be joining that client to our domain. Bye for now. I'll see you on the next video.